What's up guys, this will be a super simple video on how to replace your windshield wipers in your Audi A4, A5, RS5 QP and RS5 Sportback. I will also include in the link description below separate set for the Avance, so with the rear windshield wiper. First of all, what we need to do is go inside the turn on the ignition, wait for the system to load. Now as we are here, we need to go to car, push left on the knob, go to servicing and checks, swipe down to wiper, change position. Right now we have the wipers in servicing position and we can start the job. So now, what is the exact specification of the wipers you need for this Audi A4? This is 600mm by 500mm. It's called slim push button, the way this is attached over here. And as I said, I will actually include a link down description below with the names, with the coding, even with the original OEM part number. So the OEM windshield wipers you get when you first buy the car. And this is, or makes no sense to buy the OEM ones, because the Bosch I will show you in the description are the same as the original ones. Basically Bosch is producing those parts for Audi. I'm just using some cheap ones, just testing them out. So now let's go to the actual procedure of changing the wiper. What you need to do is basically find this little button that you can see here, push it, grab it like that and simply wiggle it upwards. And now when you take it out, be careful not to damage your windshield, because then you will have a metal part that will basically sit against your windshield. So I will just support it like that, take the new blade, and this one has a protective piece of plastic over it. This is the longer blade for the driver's side, and you just simply line it up like so, push it downwards, bam, it jumps into place. Repeat the procedure on the second. And this is how you are all set with the windshield wipers. We can do a little test. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.